So in today's video guys, we are going to talk about Rocketgame Miner. So this will launch in the next 18 hours. So of course, if you have some BUSD that are like inside of your money, of course, you can always join Rocketgame because the daily return here is 10%, and also if you are reinvesting it, which is called refuel, you're going to get a 2% bonus. So of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel guys, this is my my YouTube channel, Crypto Addict here guys. So there's very few people that are subscribing to me right now, but of course, thank you so much for watching if you are my avid follower, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so here in Rocketgame, okay, this is very basic because you're just going to put some BUSD, okay, Binance USD stable coin inside this platform, and you can get a daily return of 10%. Actually, you can get up to 12%, and of course, it pretty much works like a little bit like how baked beans are doing, wherein you have a rockets, and then of course if you are refueling it, then definitely you can maintain the daily return. So they do have actually a giveaway as well, and this is also the audit. So let's go forward first in the giveaway. So they do have $2,000 giveaway, and of course for you to be able to join, okay, or for you to be able to be qualified into this, is you need to join the Telegram group, which we are going to do right now, right? So this is the Telegram group, and then the next thing that we're going to do is we need to follow them on Twitter, which I'm going to do later on. But of course, there's other stuff that you can also do this here for you to be able to get more entries. And as you can see, there's 1,000 entries in here, so definitely you should take a look on this because this is going to be limited. All right, and of course, let's go now in the white paper. So this is the white paper. So innovative fork of baked beans. Of course, it is improved mechanics because it's giving us 10% daily return, right? So of course, this is the exact average daily return. And of course, if you have putted some of your BUSD inside this platform, all right, you won't be able to get it back. Okay, so this is a luck rewards program. So do not worry. You can always get a reward every day as long as you participated into this project. And of course, this is what will happen if you always land your rockets or you always get the profit. Okay, it will drop dramatically because the contract is an anti-whale mechanism. So I guess other stuff in here, you definitely already know, okay, those kind of details. But of course, for those people that are beginners, okay, I think it's very important that you need to do this. Okay, you need to set up your MetaMask. So basically, you just search in Google, okay, Binance Smart Chain Network MetaMask, and then there will be a blog there, and then you just going to follow the details. All right, it's very easy, guys. You can do this for like 5 to 15 minutes. That BSC network to MetaMask, and also putting some miners in here, putting some BUSDs into this platform are just 1 to 3 minutes, and you're just going to go back tomorrow, and then it's either you refuel or you just get your profits already. So again, this is Rocketgame Miner, 18 hours. Okay, we're going to create another video tomorrow. Okay, we're going to try if we can definitely participate. Okay, let's put some BUSD inside this platform. Okay, let's try if this is good. So again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.